All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome into a Friday the 13th. With all the trader nerds. So I ain't no Friday the 13th gonna scare me. I don't know. When y'all do meet me when we go to Atlanta, I want to show y'all these little holes that I got in my ears. I got holes right here. I know everybody's like, I got holes in my ear. They're right here, and I got a matching hole on this side, right? And so the only other person that has this in the world that I know of is the superintendent of schools of Cleveland County, Alabama, my friend Chad Young. He's got the same holes. One day he looks at me, he goes, Bobby, you got the holes in your ears like I do. And so I Googled it. And apparently these holes come from when we were fish, that we had gills, right? And so we evolved into whatever we evolved into, and that some of us never gave up our gills. So I've got gills in my ears, and so does he. And it's got a funky little name. But talking about superstitions, my aunt, when I was little, goes, "Oh, Martha." That was my mama's name. Says, "Look, your boy's got holes in his ears." And mama's like, "I'll be darned if he don't. What does that mean?" And my aunt says, "That means he would be easy to drown." Y'all, I didn't take a bath till I was 18 years old. I was scared to death. So, even now I'm a little antsy in the water because my aunt, she was all kind of superstitious. And she said I was going to be able to drown. And I was like, "Whoa, I ain't getting in no water." Mm-mm-mm. All right, let's see how we're doing today. So here's our Tasty Works account. So Friday the 13th ain't going to slow us down. I'm glad the spreadsheet's working for everybody. Everybody's good. All right, so let's make some money today. Let's print it, baby. Friday the 13th in the year of our Lord 2023. And our account is, Roger, get the band ready. Account is 37. Oh, it's going to be nice. 37,882.88. Are you kidding me, Roger? Get the band going.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
It's hard being humble when you're perfect in every way. I love that Mac Davis song. Isn't it Mac Davis? Mac something or other sings that song. All right, let's get over here and get our creeds. Bobby, I don't believe you got that much profit, you fat black glass wearing bastard. Well, listen, y'all calm down. Why didn't you show us the screen, moron? I got you. Slow your roll, Papa. We all right. Y'all know why I don't show it, because I get in trouble. All right, so what are we doing here? Oh, Delta's 33 and 22. Wow. 33 and 22. 33 deltas. That means the market went down. And 22 means my stuff is exploding. And the VIX is at a 19 or 18. So we'll put that in as the teens. So then we'll go over here. And our buying pair usage is 57, 55, 57, 55, 55, 57, 55. All right, what do y'all say? I can't say fat anymore. It's not ear piercing Ed from a drunken night out in the dissipation. Ed, how many kids you know that's 6 years old that goes out and gets drunk? Well, Ed is from Louisiana. Sorry, Your Honor, I withdraw the question. Oh my God. All right, I got to put me on some trades. So here's what you want to do every day. If you're in the blue, you want to get to green. It ain't green yet. And if the market is indeed down, which I think it is, I hadn't even looked because I really don't care. No, it's up now. Look at this. It's up now. Darn it, I was going to do a two trancher. You know what? I'm still going to do a two trancher. You can't stop me. I'm a risk taker. So let's go to the 64, which is actually, I think, the 63. Let's put us a long put debit spread in, 50 points wide. Y'all know the drill. This is watching the meatloaf in the oven every 15 minutes. You take a look at it and you go, "Oh, darn, it looks the same as it did." Like that's because we do the same thing over and over again. All right, so let's get this down to $10. 37.50, nice even number. 3,800. That's a great place to do a double trancher, don't y'all think? So let's do a quantity of 2. I said here we go. Trying to do 2. And shwang, baby. Now we're going to go out to the 78, which is actually the 77. And we're going to put a lick it on. outside of the 1 standard deviation move, I normally go to the closest one that I can go here at a 12 delta. And let's do a 2 trancher here. Let's try to get the mid price of 26.20 and 26.25. And come here, baby. I was going to do that thing with the that I'm reading the secret, but I ain't going to do that. All right, here we go. Ain't no secret. Nothing's a secret. We know everything. All right, here we go. So we're in. Ta-da! I'm finished. I can go to fat camp. I can go eat me some lobster, ravioli, all kinds of stuff I can do for the day. Look at there. We're at the high overnight high now. Look at that. Sell, baby, sell. The overnight hold's going to hold. Sell. Put you in a SPX call spread right now. I don't know. Don't do that. I'm just joking. All right, so let's see how this account's doing. Shall we? Shall we? So over here we are at 28,422. 28,422. Get the paying Reggie, Roger. 28,422. Oh, believe me. Look at this.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Oh, we just print money, don't we? It ain't that easy, really, y'all. We're going to come a day when we're going to get tested. And y'all going to see it ain't this easy. All right, so let's see what our little Greeks are today. Our Greeks are 49 and 28. 49, 28. Let's put that in. 49. That tells you the market's went down, but it didn't, did it? 49 and 20. Maybe it went down from where we were when we did it last time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is that right? I got something red, y'all. 49 and 28. Oh, behave. 9-1-21 on my buying power. What are we gonna do here? Oh, we never had that red before. 9-1-21. Oh, be still. Okay. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh, Shaggy. I got red all over the place, except for this is blue. Okay. I know what I'm gonna do, I think. Never had this situation. This is good. You ready? Matt's having a great day as well. No Bobby fixing here. Blind look, maybe, at least for me. No, you're doing good. You're doing good, man. All right, what am I going to do here? I've never had this situation with everything red and this blue. Well, what does the trading plan say? Well, the trading plan says if these things are red, but this is blue, that I can, I got an option, right? I can not put on a trade or I can put on a trade. Now, let's go look at our risk parameters, shall we? Let's look at our risk in this account. This ought to be good. All right, y'all sit there and let's look, see what we got here. So we're gonna go single symbol, right? Hide simulations. Make sure we got everything in here. Let's just see how we're doing. Let's move this to today, January the 13th. Let's see my price slices. It's $28,000 account. It'd take me $16,000 of buying power if we went down 20%, but we know that if the market goes down 20%, then I'm probably going to lose $40,000 in a $28,000 account. That ain't good, is it? Okay. So with that, I see me putting on a hedge and then maybe doing another 1-1-1. So right now, my theta is 26. It's almost fine. My delta is this. So what do you think, Bob? What do you think there, old Tubby? I think I want to put me on a hedge. Now, how do I do hedges? I don't forget how to do those. I ain't done one in so long. All right, so we'll go to the trade tab. All right. Y'all may have to help me on this, make sure I do it right. So I'd go to 77 days. Let's put a hedge on. So I'm going to go to about the 12. Now, y'all, I can put it anywhere I want to be honest with you. It don't matter. Where do I need my hedge? Let's see where I need it on my analyze tab. It would be nice if my hedge started kicking in, I don't know, right in here. You know, right here. Let's see what strike I was at over there. Let's see where we're at. The hedge over here, I was going to put it at the 30, started at the 35.50. I bought those, right? And I'd sell the 3,500, 35.50, 3,500. But then I'd go down 30 days, which would be the 37-day one right here. No, it'd be 40, 50, 60, 70, 3,500. See if I already got a strike at the 3,500. No, I don't. How about that? So why don't we buy 2 of these? Okay, y'all with me? Everybody with me? I'm gonna try to buy them for $7.25 though. Right? I'm gonna buy me a hedge. We'll do 2 of those. Let's see what this looks like. I said, let's see what my hedge looks like. Buying a hedge. I'm gonna reduce that to wait a minute. What's working? Working orders, cancel replace. I'm gonna have to pay a little more, right? So they want me to pay $7.50 to get filled, and we should get filled. Now let's see what this did. I said, there we go. Now let's go see what we got. So we bought a hedge for $7.50, right? In the 46-day option. All right. Let's see what that does for me. Now let's go to the Analyze tab. Now it's not as bad, right? Now instead of $40,000, I've been down 36,000. And I still got, plenty of theta. That should have helped my buying pair a little bit, right? So hopefully it did. So let's put that in the spreadsheet. I hadn't done that in a while. I need to start recording my trades. So let's go, because I get behind on them, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so behind. So remember, put your short one first. And y'all want to know what that is. I'll have to tell you in a minute. Don't let me forget to tell you what the roll is. So, oh, wait a minute. I forgot to look at something. Do I have anything telling me to close it? Oh, I do. Darn it. I didn't even need to do the hedge. Probably. No, we got a close signal. So I'll show you what that means in a minute. All right. So let's think what we're doing. So we're going to put our shorts first of our hedge. So we got MES. Why? Because that's the way the spreadsheets look is fixed, y'all. Trust me. MES. So I'm gonna put the long second. So I bought two of the, we'll call this the SBH 5 loan, right? SBH 5 loan. SBH 5, and that's my loan option. And we did the 3,500. They're puts, and this is a long hedge at the 46 day. 13.23, and I bought it for $7.50. I said I bought it for $7.50. Now let's make sure that's the case. So we bought that for $7.50, and indeed it's at the 46-day expiration, 3,500. Okay, so now let's do the short of that, and the short of that would be at 77 days. The 3,550 right here, right? We're going to sell one of those. So I'm going to try to get the mid price of 24.50. Let's sell those at 77 days. Fill me. 24.25, I said. Unbelievable. All right, here we go. Let's put that in. So 77 days, we put our hedge in. So that's a 1 contractor, right? That's a Sweet Bobby hedge 5 short at the 3,550 puts. That is a short hedge at 77 days, 113.23, and we bought it at, what was it, 27.25, right? So we put that hedge on for a credit, 134.77. Wasn't it 27.25? Now let's see what that looks like. See what that looks like. Yeah, 24.25. Sorry, Bob. 24.25. This is not as easy as it looks, y'all. I mean, y'all don't try this at home. This is dangerous. All right, 750.24, so 119.77. So what does that look like? Let's go see what our Greekies look like now. So now down here we're at 38,000. Right? Okay, so that's better than the 40 that we were at. And now our theta is 25.32. Everything's over. So let's see what the whole trade looks like. The 3,500. Well, I don't even need to look at it. I know what it looks like. Y'all do too. All right, so we got a little hedge in. Now, watch. This is what I didn't show y'all yesterday till I went back on my spreadsheet. Don't forget, we've got something new in our spreadsheet. Our spreadsheet tells us when to close stuff now. So as I go and look, I've got some put debit spreads that are 7 days on there, right? I got nothing that has expired. Everything looks good. But when we are in one of these naked puts and it comes to being 30 days in them, y'all, it's time to take them off. That is our whole game. We take risk from these 60 days and we take it out to 90 days. So this is at 46 days. This is at the 3,400. It's time to take him off. Let's take him off. 3,400. Let's go take him off. Let's find him. Our 3,400 at 46 days. 3,400. Where's he at? 3,400. Was there two of them? 3,400. Yeah, two of them at 46 days. Let's take them off. Bobby, what if it ain't profitable? I ain't even gonna look, y'all. I don't even care. I just want to take it off. 3,400 at 46 days. Right click, create closing order. We're gonna buy him at hopefully the 480. Can you do these in 80s? I think so. Let's try the mid price of 480. Come here, baby. Buy my puts. Buy my puts. Dang it. Dang it. There you go. Let's try 485. Hey, I got all day. I ain't got nothing else to do. I'm gonna work my order. 485. All right. I see you being pesky. And you got to keep in mind, they're already at the Hamptons, y'all. So we got to find some sucker. I mean, some person out there that'll buy my puts. Come on, somebody take me up on it. That ought to feel. There we go. 490. We're out. So let's go put that in and let's ring the register. Well, hello, ladies. Right? We're out of this thing. So we're at 490 is my closing price. 490. So how much money did we make? Well, Beth, load up the limousine and let's head to Applebee's. 113.23. You and I made $102. Don't worry, these will fill in once the things above them fill in. We made $102. Now, here's the problem. When I close that, what do? Remember, we're riding the donkey down. I got another 30 days in there. I got to sell another put, right? Well, that's 7. This is before I started, but keep in mind that we're pretending that these are the ones that we're doing display now. So what is the plan now? Well, the plan now is that I'm supposed to sell another put, right? Now, technically, it's before we started the new plan. Where did we start the new plan? We started the new plan here, right? But my account's okay. I'm going to go ahead and do it today. So I'm going to show you what it's like. So I'm going to roll this out and I'm going to sell another 12 Delta out there back at wherever we're at. So let's go put him in, MES. And remember, I put in another hedge today. Am I going to put in another put debit spread? No, I think I'm just going to sell me another put. Now, here's the thing. You could say, well, Bob, why don't you just roll one out? What's your Greeks and ratios now, Bob? Oh, Bob. Well, let's go see. So let's pretend that today is Monday. 1, 13, 14, 15, 16, 23. And I know what y'all are saying. Bobby, are y'all going to take a Martin Luther King Jr. Day off? No, I got a parade to go to. My kids didn't play, but futures trade, y'all, on Monday. So I'm planning on being here. So futures will trade. We plan on being here at lunch or sometime. So let's pretend we're going to do the 16th. Let's see what our Greeks have changed to. So we're at where are they? Come here. Because this is a great learning environment today. We got good stuff going on. So now we are at 46.24. 46.24. 46, 24, and VIX of what, 18 or 19? So we'll put it there. All right. So our net lick would be, we're going to pretend it's the same, 28,422. We'll change that on Monday. Right. But for now, we're just doing a comparison of what our Greeks are after the change. And now we're using buying power of 75.36. 75.36. 75.36. So look at there, y'all. Look at us. Look at us. So now we're a little short here. We're a little long there. And we're okay now, right? We're okay. So by putting that hedge in, I've adjusted everything, but I do need to increase my theta. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to roll that put that we sold out in time to another 12 delta. Now we can see what this will do to our buying power. Let's do this. So let's go hide positions. Let's delete all these simulations of stuff that we've got. Yep, so no simulations. Let's pretend that we're going to simulate doing a trade. So let's go out to 77 days. I like the 12 delta. That's just where I kind of am comfortable. Y'all sell them wherever you want to. 12% probability in the money. We could sell one of these or two of these. Let's see what's going to happen. So we're going to sell one of those. Let's see what happens if we sell one. So let's analyze the trade. Change this to MES so we can see everything. Now, so this one is going to take up, it's going to give me 281 in theta, and it's going to take $822 in buying power, and it's going to give me 0.61 in delta. So if I were to, what does it look like altogether? When you say roll in this context, you aren't talking about a leg that is in trouble. No, not a leg in trouble at all. It's basically, remember, we're riding the donkey down in the TND, the triple donkey, and we're going to ride that put debit spread twice, so to speak. So the first time that you close it and you come back the second time, I need to call him a rolled one. And that way, when I close a rolled one, what I'm calling a rolled one, I won't replace it and not do the put debit spread. So the next time that I close this one and I do another put, I'm going to make sure that I do the put debit spread along with it. I don't have to do it with this one. So let's see what our Greeks would be all together. Show all. So we would have 50 deltas with 25 theta, 8344. 50, 25, 8344. Now you say, Bobby, that's 5. Okay, but if you put in just trust me on that, that's going to be, it's probably a little bit less than 50. So 25 and 8344. Let's see what that looks like. 25 and 8344. 25, that's going to increase that, right? And 8344. Okay. So that's going to be about 29%, and I need to go no more than 30. That's where I need to go. Now, I could do one more contract. All right. I could say, let's make that 2. Let's go find my little thingamajig. Where's my little thing? We could do 2 of those. And what would that do to our stuff? That would be 28 and 9222. Let's see what that looks like. 28 and 9222. 28 gets my theta sufficient. Yep, gets me at 0.10. And 9222 gets me over 30, right? I'm at 32%. So, high class problem. So let's split the baby. I think I'm just going to do one. Let's do one. So let's go find my little put here at the 77 days. Let's do the one. So this is how you make the decisions, y'all. This is how you make it. Confirm and send. Hold on. Let's see what that's going at. Let's do this. Let's try to get 28. Confirm and send. 28. Sadie, Mom will let you in just a little bit. So now let's go put it in. I got my dogs wanting in. I had to let them out while ago. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to do a naked, and we're going to call him. This is naked put 9, and I'm going to say it's rolled. So I know that I'm not putting a put debit spread with him. And we did the, what strike was it? We did the 35.90 at $28. 35.90 at $28. 35.90. 590 puts naked 77 113.23. What I said was $28. $28. Go back and look at him one more time. $28. Yep. So now how do we look? Everything looks good to me. Isn't that cool? It's a donkey roll. Oh, I love that, Mike. Donkey roll. We did a donkey roll. So we were riding the donkey down. This is our second rider for the donkey. He's riding down, blah, 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 blah. Now, technically, look, y'all are going to go back and say, Bobby, that's not exactly true because the one you closed, the one that goes with it only has 7 days on it. Shh. Right here's what we started doing them this way, right? So I know. Trust me, just trust me on this, okay? I'm going to ride a donkey even though I can ride him for 7 days. I'm going to pretend I've got a donkey going down the mountains twice. So that's a donkey road. The donkey road. You are forever known as the inventor of the donkey road. All right, questions on that. So let's see how we've done in this account. Look what Bobby's got here. Let's see if it works. I've got a refresh button. So we're up 2.04% and the market is up or down. Gosh darn it, does it not work? Dang it! Hold on a minute, maybe it does. Let's see. I got to put my macro in there somewhere. Let me refresh all. How come it's not refreshing all? Hold on. Here we go. Data, refresh all. So the market is up 3.46. We're up 2.404%. Now, is that good or not? I don't know. Market's up 3.4%. We're up 2. Y'all, if I could do 2% every month and make 24% a year, I'm going to be fine. So there is some problem. And remember, when the market pulls back, we're going to really outperform the market. So I like this. We have profits of $568.15. We have theta so far this year of $478. Y'all, that's a theta capture so far of 118%. I don't see a problem in the world with that. God, that's good. Donkey roll, donkey roll. Y'all. Oh, that's strong. I was talking about my coffee. All right. So now let's go to the other account. The Bobby Beth account. Got everything recorded, right? Everything's recorded. So let's go over here and see how we're doing on him. We expect to play the Jeffersons on this one too. So we're at 107,525. Ladies and gentlemen, 107,525. Do y'all hear what I hear? Roger, fire up the band.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, so over here, let's see what we got. We got 63 and 37. 63 and 37. 63 and 37. Getting a lot of deltas, Bob. 63 and 37. And VIX at about 18, it says. And our buying power is at 16,110. See how we're doing. Looks like blue skies. Talking about blue skies from now on. So y'all, we got to put on some trades. Look at this. We do not have enough theta in the tank. And thus, we don't have very many profits here, right? We got to put theta in the tank. We don't have enough theta in the tank. So let's do it. So over here, I mean, I got to do a 2 trancher at least. So let's go trade. And MES. Let's put on our put debit spread like we did in the other account. So over here we did the 3,800, 3750. 3,800, 3750. 3,800, 3750. Come here, little baby. 3,800, 3750. 3,800. 3750. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 tranches. I just got to. I mean, I got to. 975. Let's do it. Let's do 3 tranches. Got to get some stuff on here. 975. Let's put it in. So let's put our trade in because I haven't been doing that and I forget it some days. So I got to start doing that with y'all. Even though it takes a little bit, it's just part of it. So we did a 3 trancher. And we did a Well, this is going to be a naked put, and that's going to be the PDS. This is the way I do it. I put my naked stuff in first. Hold on. I'm going to do MES. I said I'm going to do MES, 3 tranchers, and we're going to call this a PD8 or PDS, what? PDS 9, PDS 10. PDS 10, and then we'll call this a NP 10. I said I'm going to call that an NP 10. Dang it! NP 10. And so my PDS is at the 3,800, 3,750, puts, debit spread 63, 113.23, and then we go, what would we do that? 975, right? That's a cheap hedge, Bob. So let's go do our naked put. So over here, let's see. We want to do the 77. And over there, I sold the 3570s. 3570s. 3570. Way on down here. Right here. I already got one there. Okay. Let's do the 3580 over here. You know, too. Or let's do the 3590s. 3590. Let's do 3 tranches of those. 3590. We're going to try to get 2850 because we are greedy capitalists. I'll let you in a little bit, Sadie. Unbelievable. There we go. So we got 2850 on that. 3590. 2850. 3590, 2850. 3590. Puts. Oh, wrong place. 3590. Puts. Naked. 77. 113. I ain't got used to my new keyboard yet. And what we say it was, 2850. Hey, look, same thing I got yesterday on that one. Isn't that cool? 2850. So I got 423.09 coming in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll stuff your theta up a little bit. So let me look at that. Make sure that's right. 2850. Yeah, 2850. Now, don't forget, we got a new spreadsheet. We've got to check, see if anything needs a closing. Okay, let's see. Oh, behave, be still my soul. We've got to close the 3,400 again in the 46, and we've got 4 of those puppies. Oh my gosh, I feel so. Beth, we might even go to the Red Lobster, load up the wood-sided station wagon, baby. All right, let's go close 4 of the 3,400s in the 46 days. 46 days, 4 of the 3,400s. Here we go. Create closing order, like taking candy from a baby, y'all. That baby will squall a while, but look at us. We're going to play as least as we can. See if we can get out of it with $5. Fill me, baby. Oh, hum daddy daddy. Home daddy, nothing. All right, we'll go up to 5 1/4. Come on, feel before I get there. I feel it. Come on, secret. That darn book ain't helped me a bit. So we're out at 5 1/4. See how much money. Let's count our profit, shall we? So we're closing this for 5 1/4. And we are going to make, y'all, 113.23. How much money did we make? We made $198.24. Beth, Longhorns even, huh? Go to the Piggly Wiggly and get us some taters. That is good, y'all. So what have I got to do now? I got to roll him out. Bubba, you ain't got but 7. Hey, I'm pretending that I'm in the new program now, right? Y'all don't mess with me. So the new program says I got to roll him out. So I'm going to go here, MES. I'm going to go number of tranches. Well, let's see. I guess I could do 4. Let's do 4 tranches, y'all. That's what I just did, right? I closed 4 of them. So let's go NP9 roll. Now let's see where we want to put 4 tranches. So if you close 4, heck, let's just roll them out again. Let's go around there and get us some stuff. Y'all want to? Let's find us a good old strike around the 12 delta. So let's do we could do, how about these? Let's do 4 of the 3580s. And let's see if we can get 27, 25. Let's do 4 of those. 2, 3, 4. 27 and a quarter. Come on, baby. Fill me. $539. Look at that. 3580, 2725. 3580, 2725. 3580, 3580, 2725. Put the price in for us again. 27.25. We brought us in 500 something dollars. Puts, and see, this time I'm calling it rolled. And y'all use whatever system you want to, but I'm calling it rolled because I know next time that I do it, I need to put a put debit spread with it. So this is a naked at 77 days, 113, 23. And it's fun. Isn't this fun? Look at this, y'all. Me and you took in $900 of premium today. We spent out 155. So let's kind of pretend that we're going to 14, 15, 16. Let's pretend that we're going to compare our deltas to what we were doing. So we go 107, 525. And let's enter our new Greeks and deltas so we can compare. All right, so we go over here and we say, how you looking, Bob? Oh, Bob, oh, Bob. So we are at 90. Oh, my gosh. Jeez, I may have to put in a hedge. 94 and 51. 94 and 51. Bob, that's bad, ain't it? 94 and 51. How are you looking, old friend? 94 and 51. Well, look at that. So let's pretend that the VIX is the same on Monday. And so now our buying power has gone up to 2369, 2369, 2369, 2369. Da-da! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do it. You improve your metrics. You increase your risk. That is what we've done. And we did it in a really, really safe manner. Now, what if the market blows down 20%? How are we looking in this account? So let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's make sure that we're hiding any simulations. All right. So this is just our stuff. So if we go down 20%, we're going to lose 31,000. We know that doesn't include volatility. So we're only going to lose 72,000 on a 20% down move. If between 62, 72,000 and 120 or $108,000 account. That sounds like a lot, right? That's why you got to be comfortable with the risk. We got a stop breaker right here, right? That would allow us to sell some puts. What would we be down in a 7% down market? We'd be down $3,000. That would give us a little bit of time, but we're not really down that amount. So we're right. Here's the 7% down. So we're probably going to be down, between, depending on what the volatility went to, I don't know, 21,000. No, that's not. That's 12%. Sorry, here's 7%. 7% down. We're going to be down, I don't know, maybe $12,000. Between 4,000 and 12,000. Yeah, okay. That's going to give me time to sell some futures in case we keep going down. And it's going to give me time to make some adjustments. Bobby, you sure you can make those adjustments? I don't know. Like I say, don't trust me. Don't trust me. You got to sleep at night. Don't follow me into the fire. I'm just telling you what I'm comfortable doing. And I'm comfortable with this. That's my risk. Questions? We will call this session the Donkey Roll.